Hey guys, this is One Man, One Camera. Today is September 7th, about 12:45, 10 to 1 in the afternoon. Only a scant 99 degrees. We got a breeze going today also. We are down here on Commercial Center Drive or Convention Center Drive, what's the name of it? But we're going to do a swing by of Resorts World Las Vegas. And right now we're in front of the Vegas Indoor Skydiving. I never tried that. If anyone has, please let us know how it was. But before we hit the Resorts World Las Vegas, I am going to go to that, what do you call it? That little shopping center behind Tacos El Gordo, as there are a lot of restaurants back there, but I've never done a walk-through or ride-through or whatever. So if anyone knows those restaurants, good, bad, or so-so, if you got sick, please let us know. But use a fake name, all right? All right, let's go. You know, it is a hazy day today, cloudy and everything else, and it's a good 99 degrees. Better than 108 yesterday, I'll tell you that. But it does feel somewhat humid, or more humid than normal here in lovely Las Vegas, Nevada. And the wind has kicked up. Oh, here's the Royal Resort. Never stayed here. If anyone has, do let us know. And can you see off in the distance? It looks like a big crowd on the corner. It looks like, oh, they're waiting for some tacos. Man, I give Tacos El Gordo credit. They have a strong name for their product, you know? Very strong name. All right, you guys, let's keep on rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. Okay, that's a Cadillac. All right. Okay, so, man, people jaywalking? Yeah, it is a holiday weekend, huh? Jeez. Okay, where's this little turn? Okay, now inside this little strip mall, as we call them, there are several food shops, but I have never dined in any of them, okay? So first up, not really food, but for some of the people it is, liquor store. All right, there's Yama Sushi. I think there's more than one Yama Sushi in Vegas. And then you get the Korean barbecue called what? Kimchi, all you can eat. Indian food, rent your exotic vehicle. We buy gold. It says scooter rental, a nail salon, foot spa, kebab and more pizza house. Now you see, because it's a holiday, this parking lot is packed, but normally it's pretty on the blasé side, really. And like I said, if anyone has gone to a food shop in here, do let us know, because I just wonder if they're good, bad, medium, or, you know, run for the commode, as they say. So you got smoke shop, tattoo parlor, Rockstar, whoops. And then you have Tacos El Pastor, which formerly housed Tacos El Gordo. Oh man, this guy rides smoother. This guy drives slower than I ride my bicycle. I understand why. It's crowded. All right. La da da, la 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 la. If I only had a brain. And as you can see, there were a lot of folks waiting for tacos today. Where are we at? Okay, so, but tacos are not on our mind. Today is Resorts World Day. Okay. Just park myself right here. And there she is, Resorts World. Now, as I said before, they are scheduled to open next year in summertime, July 2021. However, I did read a report from some of the Genting people, which they were saying that, you know, as the USA is kind of number one in the COVID, they are wondering or highly doubt if, upon opening, if they will be profitable, okay? Because I guess when you first open a brand new casino, you expect to be jam-packed, but with the COVID, now I don't know what the analysts say, I haven't read any economic reports, I probably should start looking for those things, but you know, the big trading houses, brokerage firms, what they're saying about the casino industry as far as Vegas and this brand new $4.3 billion, 3,500 room, twin towered resort with this 100,000 square foot video screen on the on the west tower. I don't know what they're saying about that thing, you know, because it does make one wonder if things calm down, and if they don't calm down, then what's going to happen. So anyway, you guys, just a little bit of my 10-cent economic news, all right? But it does look nice, okay? And don't forget, this place will have a 2,200 square foot pool area with its own 1,800 foot infinity pool. It's going to be pretty sweet. I got to stroll through there whenever it opens up. And remember, this part of the complex will house, I believe, retail and some shopping things, okay? And then the front facing the Las Vegas Strip, that will all be retail. So, you know, all retail, high-end stuff. High-end stuff. None of that, what do you call it? What's the old days in the 80s? It was gold rope chains or fake gold. Anyway, blah. Anyway, all right. So, let's check it out. This little plaza here is called the Gold Key Shops. Right? You have your T-shirt place for your gifts, whatever. And you got your TJ Tacos Birria. Anyway, and then you have Tacos El Gordo. I'm sorry, Tacos El Pastor. I don't want to make anybody mad. And that place is packed. All right, so we're gonna do some swing through. This is a quick one, you guys, because you know, I don't have much news. I want to show you guys what was going on down here today. Okay, so let me just zip through here. As you can see, it is packed. Tacos El Pastor. Man, people love these street tacos, you know? Love these street tacos. You know, at first I thought I had never had a street taco until I came to Vegas, you know? But then I was checking my old videos, and I think I had what could be considered a street taco when I was in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur. I said, wait a minute, is that a street taco? Anyway, blah. So, it was tasty, all right? But check it out, they have the big sign up there, Resorts World, on the south side of the building, the tower, which is nice. Now they have been testing the west tower, but I'm usually at home when they do it, because I'm sleepy, you know, all that good stuff. So anyway, and then once again, to the right, we have our $10 everything or less place. You know, like a dollar store times 10. Oh, wait a minute, hang on, wait a minute. I thought, hold on, you guys. Something new has been added. Oh, I get it. Okay, so I think right here was So next to the Everything for Less was the Indian restaurant, right? And I mentioned before that I went in there, but it looks like it's only for tourists sort of thing. Well, they're gone, and someone's opened called a Wing Shack. And they got some loud, hippity hop music playing. No Ghetto Boys though. Oh well, that's the way it goes, right? Okay, let's swing through here. Go check out Zoltar. And you can see Tacos El Gordo is packed again as always. Smells good though. Let's say give these boys credit. They have created a very good demand for their product. Oh, Convention Center, that's what it's called, the street. Okay, so you see? All right. Looking good. And this red portion of the tower will will hold the 19,000 square foot video screen. Nice and lean. And someone mentioned on Twitter, pretty soon all the Vegas buildings will have some sort of bright sign on them for something, a video or whatever. So, oh, well, who knows? Now, as far as next year, July 2021, you know, I do hope it opens on time, and I do hope this madness has calmed down, and these guys can be crowded and make some do-re-mi, you know? Okay, now this is, like I said, Monday, Labor Day 2020, so there are a lot of tourists in town. A lot. You know, and they're still trying to repair this street. All right, let's go. You got your Walgreens. Man, I would love to get a walkthrough of the inside the construction site, of all the sites really. So you know, if anyone out there from Resorts World Las Vegas sees this video and thinks I am worthy, you know, send me an email. You know, jump into my DMs and say, hey, one man, you know, come on down, so to speak. Yeah, you got it. Oh, here comes the wind again. So, oh, like in a tornado or hurricane, the wind. I hope I got my settings right, so the audio will be okay. And then you have a 7-Eleven. You know what's funny? The 7-Eleven right here. My boss had sent me a note saying, please send out a message to everybody in the company in my area. Okay, fine, whatever. But I didn't have a group chat or a group. I didn't have them grouped together, so I had to write all the names down and then text them, you know, in a lump. So I go into 7-Eleven and say, can I borrow your pen? Man, that lady kept an eye on me like I was gonna steal her ink pen. I was like, you gotta be kidding. You've got to be kidding. Ugh, anyway, it was quite the experience. All right, those are like Peppermill. Here we are. They're doing some good business today, yeah. And this bit right here, as part of the Peppermill parking lot, will be a bridge, or a part of the bridge, which will go over to Resorts World. So that should be pretty slick. All right, let's get to the street. Okay. All right, you guys. Oh, all right, so that's just about do it. We're gonna head up to Circa for the next video. And hang on, let me get on the sidewalk. All right, there she is in all her glory, the East Tower of Resorts World Las Vegas. So pretty snazzy, you know, pretty snazzy indeed. All right, you guys, that will just about do it for today. Like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello and I'll say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Once again, stay hydrated. Have a great day. Adieu.